Hi friends, welcome to another episode of my cooking rubric. Today I'll share with you a personal recipe of mine for Banitsa packets or Phyllo dough cheese packets. And before we go further, if you are interested in such videos, please hit that subscribe button and let's begin cooking. The stuffing is super easy to make. You need to combine the yogurt, the ricotta and the feta cheese. And as always, I will leave a list of the ingredients and proportions in description. And then add the baking powder and the eggs and start mixing until you reach smooth consistency. And then go ahead and cut the cheese into equal pieces. And for this recipe I'm using mozzarella, but you can also use provolone. So get your phyllo dough ready and separate 4 layers. And if your phyllo dough is not as delicate, then you can probably just use 2, but mine is very delicate, so I'm gonna use 4. And then go ahead and generously spread the stuffing on top. And then get the cheese and place it in the center and just roll the dough around it to create a pocket, just like I'm showing in the video. And now that the pocket is ready, get some olive oil and spread it all over it. However, if you prefer butter, you can of course use butter. And then bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. As soon as you take the pockets out of the oven, sprinkle some cold water on top and cover with a towel. This is a trick that will make them very soft and fluffy. And then wait at least 15 minutes for them to cool down before you go ahead and enjoy it. And it is a great idea to serve these packets with some yogurt. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends. If you want to see more videos every week, then hit that subscribe button and I will talk to you soon. Bye!